Have you ever been driving along at a brisk 12.7 kilometers per hour when some moron tailgates you, honking incessantly? Do you just wish there was a more effective way to have a nice bout of road rage with your fellow drivers? Well, have I got the invention for you. The finger of Utilitarian car Kommunications solves this problem easily. Just place the patent-pending traffic finger lifting apparatus on your passenger seat and open the sunroof. Next, place the appendage supervision system in the boot or on the back seat and place the heuristic observation listener outside the vehicle. In short, connect the appendage supervision system to the heuristic observation listener. E. Now, whenever someone so rudely demands that you drive at their favorite speed, they get a nice little message from your sunroof. But how does it work? Asked no one at all. Well, I'd be glad to show you around. You might notice the device in my passenger seat as the linear actuator from the elevator video, and that hoists this beautiful sign up and out of the vehicle. To control it, there's an Arduino and some relays in the appendage supervision system. Basically, they just take 12-volt power, either from the car's accessory jack or this battery, and kind of finagle it around accordingly to make the actuator do stuff. Oh, and it's all controlled by that ultrasonic sensor hanging off the back of the car. But that's enough technical mumbo jumbo. Shall we actually test drive this thing? Literally. So, it's been raining for the last 3 days without showing any signs of stopping, and unfortunately I need the sunroof down to give this thing a proper test on the road. So I'm just gonna have to improvise. However, I don't want to give anyone the wrong impression, so I'm just gonna make it very clear now. What you're about to see is special effects. The device itself is actually working, but it's not in a real car. I know it will look very realistic, and it'll be extremely deceiving, but I need you to keep that in mind. Alright, so that's it for the finger of Utilitarian car Kommunications. I will be giving it a proper test next week with actual cars on an actual road to show that the thing I built actually works. If you feel like you need one, which judging by the poll that I put out last week, you all do, then I will link the code and other stuff in the description so that you can build one yourself. For now though, see you later, and subscribe if you want to, don't if you don't want to, I don't know, whatever. Bye now.